Hi, today we're going to learn all about the adverbs of frequency. You'll also have a chance to speak in this video. The line in red is going to be my line and the line in orange is going to be your line. If you're watching this video, this is the third video of my English for Beginners grammar dialogue series. Now, if you're ready, let's begin. Okay, so if you're not familiar with adverbs of frequency, so here are the most common ones. We have always, usually, sometimes, rarely, and never. So when we say always, that's like 100% of the time. When we say usually, that's like 90% of the time. Sometimes or seldom is 50% of the time. And rarely is about 10% of the time, and never is 0% of the time. Okay, now let's go to the dialogue. Again, the line in red is going to be my line, and the line in orange is going to be your line. So here we're going to focus more on speaking. So try to fill in the blanks which are true for you. It can be any adverbs of frequency depending on your situation. Okay, now let's start. Okay, now let's go to the first one. How often does your mom call you? Okay, good. My mom calls me every. Okay, good. Next one. How often do you use your computer at home? Good. I use my computer every. How often do you clean your house? Okay, good. I clean my house every. Okay, it could be every day, every week, every month. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, next. How often do you hang out with your friends? Okay, good. I hang out with my friends every. Okay, good. Next one. How often do you go shopping? Okay, good. I go shopping every week, every month, every year, etc. Good. Let's go to the next one. How often do you eat out with friends? I eat out with friends every. Okay, good. And the last one. How often do you wash your car? Okay, good. I wash my car every. Okay, good. Okay, so here's another set of dialogue. So let's practice on this first one. Does Elsa usually study in her room? All right, good. Now let's go to the next dialogues. Does Jane usually eat lunch in the cafeteria? Okay, next. Do Tom and Bob always watch the news after dinner? Next, do you usually read a book after breakfast? Next, do you usually go to the supermarket every Sunday? Next, do you usually go jogging in the evening? Last one, do you usually wash your car every Sunday? Now, the third set of dialogues will use have and has. So have and has are used to indicate possession. So have is used with the pronouns, and has is used with the pronouns. And again, have and has can be used to indicate possessions. Okay, now let's start with the dialogue. Okay, first one. Do you have quiet neighbors? Next, do you have a sister? That's right. No, I have a brother. Next one. Does this hotel have an escalator? Okay, good. That's right. Next one. Does Jenny have beautiful curly hair? Okay, that's right. Next one. Does your cousin have blonde hair? Okay, good. That's right. Next one. Do you and your family have a cat? That's right. Good job. Last one. Does your niece have brown eyes? Okay, that's good. Good job. Okay, and that is it for today. Thank you so much for joining me to learn some English. And if you found this video useful, please do like this video and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to connect with me on all my other social media accounts. Don't forget to join me on my private Facebook group. And here is my Instagram as well. And that is it for today. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.